Hey folks, check out this one-bedroom apartment here. It's Towers on the Park, where I live, and there are quite a few apartments in this area. It's about 600 square feet. Somebody lives here right now. They will be moving out. You look into the garden here, and it's very quiet. This is the garden for the building. There is a little parking lot that belongs to the building as well. Nothing commercial. So it's extremely quiet. Let me take you for a little walk around the apartment. So as you can see, there's a good size living and or dining space. This person has a workstation right by the window. And again, you see there are a lot of trees and this little garden for the building. Looking back here, we notice that there are 4 bar stools. So there's a nice little breakfast bar, that's what we call it. You don't have to have breakfast there. Kitchen that's been, slightly renovated. It's certainly not an original kitchen. There's a lot of wooden finishes here, and cabinets have been colored a little. So there we are. And off to the bedroom, which is right here. A very large bedroom. As you can see, there's a lot of space here. A large area for the bed. Most people put the bed against, maybe against this wall or that wall. We have some little kitties here, but that is the closet. Looks like a built-in. So here's the bathroom. There's the tub. There I am. So Christopher Butt and Towers on the Park, 1 bedroom. You can contact me at 917-721-0202 or at cbutt@corcoran.com. That's the Corcoran Group. So Christopher Butt, and I'm at Towers on the Park. It's a 1 bedroom for sale or rent, and my number is 917-721-0202.